What's going on, everybody? Good afternoon. Today I just want to do a quick video. I haven't done one in a while because we've actually been pretty busy, but I want to do a video on how to prime the DD15 fuel system. Now typically you can use your pump here. Now I'm trying that, but it still doesn't want to start. Just did a service on it, so whether you're doing a service and this doesn't seem like it's cutting it, maybe a little bit too much air got in the system, maybe you change some of the lines, fuel lines, or an injector or high pressure pump, this is a great way to prime the fuel system. And again, just to make sure you have enough fuel pressure, PSI, pushing through. This is something that we made, just buying some parts from Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight.
This is exactly what we use, but you will need to make some modifications to make it work for you.
Real simple. Got this tank, we fill it up with clean diesel. Okay, again, clean diesel. And what you're gonna wanna do is open up your latch and build about 100 PSI, okay? So once you get to about 100 PSI, you can go a little higher than that. You're gonna wanna turn it off. It'll hold the pressure for you. Okay, then you're gonna wanna go up here. I'll show you the fittings and all that good stuff in a second, but again, you're gonna tap into the priming port that's on every single DD15. Whether it's the 3-filter system or the 2-filter system, it's all the same. You're gonna open this up, you're gonna hear the diesel fuel pushing through. Okay, now you can leave it open, nothing will happen. This will definitely get very hard, okay? Then what you're gonna wanna do is go up top to the driver's side. Key's already open, and this should fire up right away without any hesitation. And there you go, that's exactly how we prime the fuel system. Saw the video on that, or kind of made sense of what I was trying to do. Again, this is your priming port. When you open this up, that's going to push fuel into the system. Once it starts, you can have someone else either close this valve, or when you're done, simply get down, close the valve, and then you're no longer going to be pushing any fuel through. Again, you're going to need about 100 PSI, maybe 110 PSI, and that's simply to push everything past beyond the valves. Okay, the valves being the internal valves on the high pressure fuel pump. Okay, so again, very simple, something you can make yourself or piece it together for a lot less than what you could buy directly through a manufacturer. Okay, I know there's a few things online and those run about $3,000, so you can do something like this for definitely a lot less than that, probably about $300-400 bucks. So again, all you're going to want to do is once you're done there, you're going to pull this out. Okay, it's going to be like an air fitting, and that's it. That's the valve that's going to get, the fitting that's going to get inserted right there. Okay, see if I can zoom in on that, and that's where you're going to tap into. One other thing I want to show you, again, this little valve that you're going to tap into right here. Okay, there is a little spring in there that gets stuck. Sometimes it gets stuck in the open position and diesel will pop out. Sometimes this will stay open and it will allow air to get sucked in. So just make sure you can get a little screwdriver. Okay, you're gonna pop that out and hopefully let it, see, now it's sitting, it's good. Oh, fuck, sorry. All right, let's start that over. So again, every now and then you're gonna get something where this is, there we go, right there, okay? Right in the center of that, this will sometimes get stuck open. Make sure when you get a little screwdriver, pop it out, and that's it, okay? Because sometimes it will suck air through there and sometimes it will leak diesel fluid through there. So I hope that helps out. Again, this is the fitting that you use. You can pick this up online. You can pick it up from Snap-on. I'm gonna see if I can put a part number on there, and that's pretty much it. So again, this is the system that we rigged up. I actually got this idea from a buddy of mine. Bear with me here, guys. There we go. So there's your valve that will control your diesel flow. There is your valve that's gonna control your airflow, okay? And then your gauge. So all you're gonna do when you're done, release the air, and that's it. You're ready to go for the next time. You're gonna prime up the system on a DD15, DD13, it's all the same. If you guys have any questions, as always, hit me up. I'm gonna try to put this together, and hopefully this will help some of you guys out with priming the DD15, DD13 fuel system. Thanks for watching.